Hello everyone, my name is Tanmay Jadhav and you are watching my YouTube channel. So today in this video, what we are going to study? We are going to study a beautiful poem, Fire and Ice. And this beautiful poem is written by the great poet Robert Frost. So let's start today's session. Fire and Ice. This is the title of the poem. But in this poem, the meaning of fire is hate and meaning of ice is desire. Now what is desire? Desire means a strong feeling of wanting to have something. Meaning of desire is a strong feeling of wanting to have something. So let's start first paragraph. Some say that world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. These first two lines means some say that world will end in fire, some say in ice. These first two lines are scientific theory, means some scientists believe that our world will end because of fire, means one day the temperature of earth will increase or rise and there will be so much of heat everywhere, and because of that our world will end. But some scientists believe that no, our world will not end because of fire. Our world will end because of ice. Means one day the temperature of earth will decrease or fall down and there will be so much of cold everywhere, and because of that our world will end. But these are all scientific theory or scientific fact. But what poets want to say? In the third line it is given, from what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. In the starting only, I have told you the meaning of fire and ice. In this poem, fire is the symbol of hate and ice is the symbol of desire. From what I have tasted of desire means from poet's experience, I hold with those who favor fire. Means poet will support that people who say that our world will end because of fire or because of hate. Now let's see second paragraph. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for any destruction ice is also great and would suffice. Now in this first line, perish meaning is to finish or to die, and twice meaning is double or two. Now here poet is trying to say that suppose our earth will finish two times, then I know enough of hate. Suppose our earth will finish two times, then I know enough of hate. Means poet is having enough knowledge of hate, and he also thinks that the first cause of destruction of earth is hate only. To say that for any destruction ice is also great and would suffice. Means some people say that our world will finish because of ice. Then I support that people who say that our world is going to finish because of ice. Here I refers to the poet. If I can consider the fact that our world is going to finish because of hate, then I can also consider the fact that our world is going to finish because of desire. Here I refers to the poet. Yes. Suffice meaning is here sufficient. Means people's desire are sufficient to finish this universe. And here we have seen that day by day people's burning desires are increasing. So as I have completed the explanation of this poem Fire and Ice, so let's see the summary of this poem. Fire and Ice is a short poem by Robert Frost. It's a short poem by Robert Frost. In this poem, the poet refers to two predictions of how the world will end. Some say it will end in fire, whereas others say it will end in ice. Yes, in the first paragraph only we have seen this. Some people say that our world will end in fire and others say it will end in ice. According to the poet, fire stands for hate. The more you try to satisfy fire, the more they grow. There is no end to it. On the other hand, ice stands for desire. One becomes insensitive and indifferent towards the feelings of others. The poet says that both fire and ice are growing with such a rapid speed that the world would soon perish either with fire or with ice. And these two things, hate and desire, are growing with such a rapid speed that our world will either perish with fire or in ice. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I really hope you have understood the poem Fire and Ice.